it's Pahul back from FotoTech and welcome back to the channel. So guys, today we are gonna take a look at a very budget RGB gaming keyboard from Techcom. So before the video starts, I want to thank you all guys. We just passed 100 subscribers. It's not been a month since I started this channel and posted my first video, and we are here on the 100 subscribers milestone. It's a very big achievement for all of us. Thank you guys. A very thank you. So guys, now we are gonna take a look at our keyboard. So without further ado, let's get right into the video.
Everywhere, freaks and herrings, dykes and fairies, tell me where it's empty. Tax the rich, feed the poor, till there are no.
So guys, this is the keyboard I was talking about. This is the keyboard from Techcom. Pretty basic budget gaming keyboard. So the box contains the keyboard itself. I don't have the box, I threw it because I own this keyboard for at least 6 months from now. Yeah, I think 6 months. So this is the keyboard we get. Talking about the price first, when I bought this keyboard, I only got it for $6.99, but now the seller I bought from shows that this product is unavailable. But if you want to buy this product, I'll drop the Best Buy link for this keyboard. If it shows the price of $9.99, and add this in your cart and wait for some days, the price would go low. So talking about the keyboard, it is a mechanical keyboard with very clicky switches. You also get this lighting effect which looks really cool. A downside of this is that you cannot change the lighting on this keyboard. But you cannot expect much from a keyboard for this price point. The keys also look very cool. They are not the standard keys designs. You also get the multimedia function keys on the top, which you can access by pressing the function and the keys together. One thing to mention that it is a full size keyboard, so you also get a numeric pad in this keyboard. So guys, this is a sample audio of the clickiness of this keyboard. Listen. So guys, this was the keyboard, and I hope you enjoyed the B-rolls which I showed in this video. So this is it for today guys. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. The link is in the description, and the link to buy this product is also in the description. Hashtag not sponsored by anyone. So this is it for today's video guys. It's Pahul signing off. First, let me type something. It's really clicking!